Hey guys, this is Wondershare UniConverter YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to convert WMV to MP4 on Wondershare Online UniConverter. In the beginning, go to media.io website and the link is going to be in the description down below. First step, uploading your WMV file to media.io. You can upload your file directly from desktop or import from Dropbox or Google Drive. Second step, setting your output format as MP4. You can directly choose the media format or use the search box. Third step, click Convert button to start uploading and convert WMV to MP4. You could directly download the MP4 file after finishing the file converting. Okay, that's how to convert WMV to MP4 on Wondershare Online UniConverter.
Have you found this tutorial helpful? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare Online UniConverter for free, or comment to tell us what you would like to know next.